Hello students, good morning. Up to today, we have already learned how to prepare the profit loss appropriation account. Now today we will learn how to make the adjustment in the partnership account. It is discovered that while recording the books of accounts, while making the books of accounts, some errors were committed or some errors have been committed due to the omissions or due to wrong recordings. So it should be rectified. If it is rectified, then we will reveal the new true profit of the farmer. Now, when these particular omissions are discovered, when it is traced, it may be either before closing the books of accounts or after closing of accounts. If it is traced before closing the books of accounts, then it should be corrected prior to ascertaining the net profit as well as divisible profit. But if it is discovered after closing of accounts, then the correction can be made in the books of accounts without changing, without altering the partnership account and balance sheet by passing a single journal entry. First, before closing of accounts, if any errors discovered before closing accounts, so that account can be corrected or rectified, such as an example, for example, an expenses were not taken into books of accounts, that was omitted, or any entry had been made wrongly, so it should be rectified, corrected. We will learn it, we will see it by taking one example, that is numerical example, and that numerical example I am going to take from the book D.K. Goyal, volume 1, question number 38. If you see, if you have any other book, there is no problem, same type of problems are there, maybe name and figures may be changed, but the questions are same. So look it. Question number 38. A, B and C are in a partnership sharing profit losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. Following particulars are available from their books. Capital account on 1st April 15, A 20,000, B 15,000 and C 10,000. Current accounts of on 1st April 2015, A 1,500, B 2,500, C debit balance 2,000. One thing remember, when nothing is given with the debit balance or credit balance, it is presumed that there is credit balance of the current account. Drawings, A 6,000, B 4,000 and C 4,000. Life insurance premium on 1st October 15 paid by the firm for A, that is 2,000 rupees. Life insurance premium of A has been paid by the firm and has been charged to general expenses account. That is the wrong, because life insurance premium is the personal expenses of the partner's drawings, but was taken as general expenses, so it should be corrected. Partners are allowed at 8% per annum interest on their capitals and charge at 10% per annum on their drawings. Profit for the year ending 31st March 16 amounted to rupees 20,800. Before taking into account the interest on capital and drawings, while calculating profits, depreciation at the rate of 20% per annum has been omitted on the buildings of the value of rupees 20,000. Prepare profit loss appropriation account and partners current account for the year. Now see how it is prepared. Profit loss appropriation account. Prior to preparing profit loss preparation account, see the working note, because some errors were committed in the books of accounts. That is, life insurance premium of the partner A was paid by the firm, was entered as general expenses, and that depreciation was not taken into account. That is, depreciation is on plant. Working note. Net profit as per PL account is given 20,800. And as the life insurance of the partner A is the drawings of the partner A, it is not an expenses of the firm but was taken as a firm, so the profit should be increased, that should be added. Life insurance premium of A 2000, $22,800, less one omission was there, the depreciation was not deducted from the profit, so it should be deducted. Depreciation at the rate of 20%, value was rupees 20,000, that is 4,000. This is the net profit, corrected net profit. Here we will write corrected net profit by net profit, corrected 18,800. Right here. To interest on capital, A, B and C. Interest on A's capital at the rate of 8% per annum, 20 per thousand, on 20,000, 1,600, on 15,000, 1,200, and on 10,000, 800, 3,600. By interest on drawings, A, B, C at the rate of 10% per annum. So we will calculate the interest on drawings on the average basis, that is for 6 months. A's interest was drawings was 6,000, on 6,000, 10% for average 6 months. $300, and as LIC was, life insurance premium was paid by the firm for A, that is on 1st October, on 2000, on 1st October, it's also drawings that I am writing here, life insurance premium on 2000 at the rate of 10% from 1st October 31st March, 6 months, rupees 100, total 400. 400. Likewise B's drawings was 4,000. Then on 4,000 at the rate of 10% for 6 months, 200. Likewise, C's drawing was also 4,000, 10%, 200. 400, 200 and 200. Total 800. Now we'll get divisible profit. To divisible profit transferred to A, B and C. The ratio is given 2:1:1, 2/4, 1/4 and 1/4. That is 8,000, 4,000 and 4,000. This is divided. Now we have to prepare the partner's current account. C, partner's current account. Partner's current account. C. And the balance of partner's current account is already given by balance brought down A 1,500, B 2,500, that is credit balance, and C's debit balance have been given to balance brought down, and this is 2,000. Now we'll write by interest on capital 1,600, 1,200 and 800. Two drawings. A 8,000, that is 6,000 plus 2,000 insurance premium. B 4,000 and C 4,000. Two interest on drawings. $400, $200 and $200. By profit as per profit loss appropriation account, 8,000, 4,000 and 4,000. Now we will find the balance. Total of C of debit side is more. Total of A and B is credit side is greater. 11,100, 7,700. To balance carried down, A's balance is showing credit balance 2,700. B is also showing credit balance 3,500, whereas C's balance is showing credit balance, debit balance 1,400. This is partner's current account. Now see how to make the adjustment after closing the books of accounts. That is also called past adjustment. On the other hand, we can say this is the errors rectification, and that error is error of omission. After closing the books of accounts, adjustment should be made in the books of accounts. In some omissions have been made while making the books of accounts, as the items of deed were not considered, that was omitted, and the books are closed. So it is not possible to alter the existing books of accounts. So without altering the partner's capital or current account and balance sheet, how to rectify it, how to make the correction of these omitted items, that we will learn. A single entry is passed to rectify these accounts. So see, we will take one more questions over here to understand this past adjustment or adjustment after the closing of accounts. That is question number 46A of ISC DK Goyal volume 1. See it. Question number 46A. On 1st April 2015, the capital of A and B were rupees 4 lakhs and rupees 2 lakhs respectively. They divided profits in their capital ratio. Profit for the year ended 31st March 16 were rupees 3 lakhs, which have been duly distributed among the partners, but the following transactions were not passed through the books. Interest on capital rate of 12% per annum. Interest on drawings rupees 12,000 A and B rupees 10,000. Commission due to B 20,000 on a special transaction, and D A is to be paid a salary of rupees 50,000. You are required to pass a journal entry on 10th April 16, which will not affect the profit loss account of the firm, and the same time will rectify the errors. Here some items were omitted. How this question will solve? See it. First we will make the table showing past adjustment. As two partners are there, we will draw two columns for partners. One total column, this is a particular column. As much as partners are there, column will increase. Particulars, partner A, partner B, and total. As it is given, the profit which have been duly distributed rupees 3 lakhs, that was already credited to them without adjusting the interest on capital, interest on drawings, commission and salary. So that was wrongly credited to them. So while making adjustment in this table, we will debit it. Profit already divided, total of rupees 3 lakhs profit was divided between the partner in their capital ratio, and capital ratio is 2:1. That is 2:1. 2 lakhs and rupees 1 lakh. This was already credited. So while making the adjustment, first you debit it, cancel it. What items were not taken? Currently, these items are interest on capital. So that should be adjusted. Interest on capital is 12% per annum on 4 lakhs rupees 48,000. That should be credited to them. And on 2 lakhs at the rate of 12%, 24,000. Total credited 72,000. Interest on drawings charged by the firm. So it should be debited to the partner. 12,000, 10,000, commission to be 20,000, more item credited. Salary to A, more to credit. Now we will get divisible profit. Profit remained after making adjustment of these items. See in working note. Net profit 3 lakhs. Plus interest on drawings minus interest on capital minus commission minus salary is equal to rupees 1,80,000. One lakh 80,000 divisible profit, which will be divided between the A and B in 2:1. That is total rupees 1,20,000. 1,80,000. 1,80,000. When you will total it, you will find that it is equal to this one. Total these figures and divide this between A and B in 2:1. Should be created. Total it. Two lakh 6,000. $94,000. This is not necessary to total it. Now you see the difference. These amounts were created currently. That was debited. The previous amount which was created now cancelled, debited, and the new items to be created. The total credit amount 2,06,000. Earlier it was 2 lakhs. Now 6,000 more to credit to A. Whereas in case of B, B was credited by 1 lakh, that is cancelled, debited. Now new credit is 94,000. When 6,000 was more credited to them earlier, so 6,000 should be debited. Now make the one adjustment by passing a single entry, that is B's capital account debit to A's capital account. It will not affect the profit loss account, neither it will alter the books of accounts, will pass single journal entry, and then it will be rectified and corrected. Now it is enough for today. We will meet next. Like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.